finally got another one.
What's good, gang? What's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bob Finesse back with another video. And today I am going to be working on the Cheeto sign for the kitchen. It's really supposed to be hot Cheetos, but I didn't want to put the hot part. So I'll be working it for this Cheeto sign. If y'all didn't see, I finished the other project. It is drying, and then I'm about to start epoxying. But how I'm doing it now is that I'm painting something, and I'm gonna let that dry. And then once this is done painting, I'm gonna epoxy both of them at the same time. That way I can get both of them done in the same day. Y'all see it's still daytime, and I'm batching all my videos, putting everything together. So I am busy. I'm busy just painting. I still gotta paint this one. I just finished the bar right here. Y'all see that? It's already done painting. I just want that to be fully like done drying. I'm gonna let that sit there. While that's drying, I'm gonna be doing this Cheeto sign. So I'm getting close. I'm getting close. I got a lot of projects to do. I'm still working on the Homer and Ricky and Morty. I'm gonna see how many I can do in one day. But right now, I'm just in the process of just doing a bunch of painting because I got to batch a bunch of videos. Not to mention, I got to do my Vlogmas videos. So that's coming up, y'all. Like 3 more Vlogmas videos getting dropped. And I got to show y'all my Mellow one because I'm done with that. It's done epoxying. It was done like a few days ago. I just haven't posted it yet. But that's going to be up next too. So, you know. Gotta get to this. I'm telling y'all. Let's get to this painting. So I am done with the Cheetos sign, y'all. Yo, that's looking fire. Can't wait to put that up in my kitchen. I don't know where. I need to do a video where I show y'all where I post all my stuff at. Put everything up on the walls. But y'all know it's time for that epoxy. Once it dries. And so it's completely dry, just to show y'all, completely dry. Wash my hands, and I'm about to start epoxying this Cheeto sign. All right, so now I didn't use that for the other epoxy. I want to make sure all that epoxy in there is completely out. Okay, so now I'll just spread this around. I think it'll be all right. Yeah, it might be all right. Make sure I cover everything though, so I don't have to mix anymore. Ooh. Make sure I get that side. Okay. Make sure I get all of that. Ooh, I might have to put more. I'm not gonna cap. Just to be sure, I might have to put more. There's still a lot of dry spots, like right here in the middle of the wood. Yeah, I might have to put more. Because at this point, I'm just trying to stretch it. Just a little bit more. Like you see at the top, all that up there. I don't feel like it covered it enough. I covered that part pretty fucking good. I ain't gonna lie, with a lot of epoxy. So let me go make some more. I just a little bit more to cover the top. Yeah, because the middle part right here where the Cheeto sign is, all this is available. Yeah, let me go do that. All right, so I used some of the epoxy from the Bart, and it actually came out really good, bro. Because I told you I poured a lot on that part, but look at this. This is crazy. Everything I left, she's crying. But yeah. All right, gang, so it's the next day, and I had to get everything from the porch because I watched a video on that it couldn't be outside in the cold. Now, I'm telling you, these are still my new projects. I am still learning, and we can learn together. It's supposed to be inside the house, insulated type room. Can't be in the cold weather, can't be in the rain, can't be none of that. Especially if it's getting epoxy. Now, on the epoxy, it'll tell you the temperature it needs to be in. I did not know that. I did not know that. So what I did is, at the nighttime, I checked on it, made sure it was good. I brought it in the house, put one in the closet and one on a shelf. Now I'm gonna show you what they look like. They're done, they're perfect. And that explains why I have a swirl on some of my other ones, because I left it outside in the cold. Like the Super Mario got a swirl on it. But that makes sense because I left it outside in the cold and the temperature got to it. So with the wind blowing and all of that. So let me just show y'all what the Cheeto sign looks like. Don't that look good, bro? That look good. That's how, now that's how they're supposed to come out. They're supposed to come out like this. I give this a good 9. Now, if y'all see like this part right here, if you turn it around, the wood was sticking on a board. Cause I put this on top of another piece of wood so the epoxy don't get everywhere. And then I just had to cut this little piece off. So it's kind of okay. It's just a little piece of wood. But these other parts are stuck on another piece of wood. But everything else, I just cut it off. But this is going to my kitchen. This look loud, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. This is lit. I hope y'all like that. I hope y'all like that right here. That right there. I did a thumbnail, so it's just like, yeah, that's my thumbnail. I don't care what nobody said. That was my thumbnail. But I hope y'all like this. Y'all rate this. And I'm telling you, I'm going up. I'm getting different requests to do different stuff to see how creative I can actually get. I love y'all, gang. Y'all put a thumbs up in the comment section. Let me know down what other art pieces I should try, what I should do. And yeah, thank you for my new subscribers. And I'm still doing Vlogmas, y'all. Don't worry about it. I'm still doing Vlogmas. I just got to get these out the way, and I got to do Vlogmas at the same time. So I will do Vlogmas. I am doing like 3 videos today, and then 3 videos tomorrow, and then I'm going to do it until I catch up. So I love you guys. Just hang in there with me, and welcome to the family. Peace.
My nigga Johnny got another one.